Fitness trends come and go, but some exercises stand the test of time. As a woman looking to get in shape in 2023, focusing on exercises that build full body strength and promote weight loss is key. After consulting with trainers and reviewing the latest research, I've come up with the 5 best exercises for women this year. These moves will help you burn calories, tone up, and boost energy levels. Say goodbye to fad workouts. These exercises deliver proven results. 1. Squats. The squat is considered one of the best full-body exercises for women. To perform a proper squat, stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Send your hips back like you're sitting in a chair, bending at the knees. Go down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, keeping your back straight and chest lifted. Press into your heels to drive back up to starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. Squats engage your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core muscles. Going through the full range of motion burns calories while building strength. Squats also force your body to balance, improving coordination. Add a resistance band around your thighs or hold dumbbells at your sides to increase the intensity. Try box squats if you have knee issues. The American Council on Exercise rated the squat as one of the most effective exercises for your lower body. 2. Plank. The plank tops the list when it comes to core exercises for women. To do a plank, get in a push-up position balancing on your forearms and toes. Keep your back flat and abdominals engaged, forming a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing steadily. For variation, do side planks by balancing on one forearm at a time. Planks strengthen the entire core including abdominals, obliques, lower back, and glutes. By working for numerous muscle groups at once, planks burn more calories than isolation exercises like crunches. Planks also force you to stabilize your spine, improving posture. Make it more challenging by holding a plank with hands on stability balls. Planks recruit the deep core muscles that stabilize and support your spine. 3. Burpees. Looking to get your heart pumping? Burpees provide an intense full-body exercise to rev up your metabolism. From standing, squat down and place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a push-up position in one quick motion. Do a push-up, then hop your feet back up towards your chest. Explosively jump up off the ground, reaching arms overhead. That's one representative. Burpees combine squats, push-ups, and jumps to burn major calories while working almost every muscle. Perform these high-intensity exercises in short bursts of 30 to 60 seconds for a metabolic conditioning workout. The plyometric movement helps build power and coordination. Burpees get your heart rate soaring, making them excellent calorie-scorching cardio. Challenge yourself by adding squat jumps or push-ups between reps. Burpees can be modified by stepping back 1 foot at a time rather than hopping. 4. Rowing. Rowing machines provide an incredible full-body workout for women. To use a rower, sit with your legs extended and grab the handlebar. Drive back with your legs, arms, and core as if rowing a boat. Rowing engages all your major muscle groups including legs, glutes, back, arms, shoulders, and abdominals. The smooth motion is low impact while sculpting your physique. Rowing continuously for 30 minutes elevates your heart rate for fat-burning cardio. Unlike running, rowing works your upper body too. The American College of Sports Medicine recommends rowing as an ideal exercise for improving cardiovascular fitness. Rowing machines give your core muscles an intense workout by forcing you to stabilize your spine against resistance. This strengthens your back and abdominals without straining your neck like crunches. For variation, do short fast rows to increase your power. 5. Kettlebell swings. Kettlebell swings develop full body power while burning fat. Stand with feet wider than hip width holding a kettlebell with both hands. With a flat back, hinge at the hips to swing the kettlebell between your legs. Drive through your glutes and hips to swing the kettlebell up to chest level as you stand up straight. Swing the weight back down between the legs to complete one representative. Kettlebell swings target your posterior chain muscles including hamstrings, glutes, back, and core for a defined physique. The accelerating motion coupled with resistance tones your legs, butt, and abs. Swings get your heart pumping for an intense calorie torching workout. Start with a lighter kettlebell until you perfect form. Kettlebell swings combine strength training with a metabolic boost. Add these explosive swings to your routine 2 to 3 times per week. There you have it, the 5 best exercises for women to do this year for maximum results. Focus on mastering these foundational moves using proper form. Be sure to also build in recovery time in between workouts. Pair these exercises with a balanced nutrition plan. Stay consistent with your fitness routine and get ready to feel healthy, confident, and strong in 2023. Let me know in the comments if you try these top exercises. Subscribe for more fitness tips and healthy living inspiration. Now get workout ready and let's crush those goals this year.